Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a great new unboxing for you today. It is the Chamberlain MyQ Garage. Now this is a really cool product. It will allow you to monitor and control your garage door from anywhere in the world. It doesn't even have to be a Chamberlain. It doesn't have to be, it can be any type of garage door that you want or that you have, and it should work with your garage door. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will be putting up install videos, how-to videos, and all sort of videos about this MyQ. All right guys, so check out the playlist that I'll link at the bottom, and you'll get to see every single step in the process of the MyQ Garage. Hey guys, here's the Chamberlain MyQ Garage. We're gonna do a quick unboxing here, and we'll see it. So this is, as I've said before, this is a universal smartphone garage door controller. Works with pretty much any garage door you have. And all right, so we'll flip the box over, give you a quick overview of the box, different things. So we do have an Apple and an Android app available. Shows you kind of how you set it up. There you go. All right, so all I've done so far is break the seals so that I can open the box up one-handed. Do that. So, the outer shell. Inside we got a nice looking Chamberlain box. And there is a seal here. It says basically the licensing and whatnot, who owns it, so cut that here. Do that. There we go. And there we are. So first thing we're presented with is the MyQ. It has a LED bulb there, and this should be the interface to the Wi-Fi. And then this is the MyQ. This is the part that goes on the garage door, and that'll attach to your garage door, and I think it's battery powered, and that is the saying whether or not the door is opened or closed. Here there's a piece rattling around in there, and I kind of think that's the sensor that they're using. So we'll set that over here to the side. And there's a nice little sticker up here that just tells you a little bit more about it. That there's additional things below. Okay, and there's the Chamberlain. Okay, so we'll open that up. And set that to the side. Pull this piece off. And then down here we have the MyQ Garage, special serial number, some stickers, and your set that to the side. And then in here we've got another brick of some sort. Let's see what this is. Open it up. And inside we've got, looks like some mounting hardware. We got the mounting bracket. We've got your screws, and you got a power brick. And so that is the contents of the Chamberlain MyQ door controller. Alright guys, check out the next video. I'll put a link in the description, and at the end here there should be another link where you can go see the install video. And please subscribe and check out the playlist for the Chamberlain, and you'll get all the videos that I create about the Chamberlain MyQ Garage. Thanks guys.